nice and crispy and golden. There you have it, French fries at home with Steph le Chef. Hello and welcome back to Steph le Chef. You might wonder how easy it is to make French fries at home. Well, you're in the right place because I'm going to show you how. Today au menu, French fries on Steph le Chef. So for this we need some good quality potato. Today I've got some Maris Piper and some vegetable oil or sunflower oil. Okay, so that's it. That's all you need. Let's do this. So my potato's been peeled. I'm gonna cut strips out of it, 1 centimeter. Okay, like so, and I'm gonna submerge them with water and I'm gonna leave them in there for a couple of hours. It will take all the starch and amidon out of the potatoes and will make them crispy when you cook them. Okay, so first process done. So my French fries been soaking in water for 2 hours. That's been drained and I'm gonna pat them dry as much as I can. So in a tray. There we are. Dry them as much as you can. There we go. Next stage done. Next, on the stove, we're gonna put some vegetable oil in our pan. Just fill it up a quarter full, okay? And we're gonna put it to medium heat, okay? That will take about 10 minutes to heat, okay? So the idea is to cook the chips in that oil first of all. That's stage one, and we're going to cook them for about 6 minutes at medium heat, and we're going to drain them. We're going to rest them for 10 minutes and we will move on to stage 2. Okay, so French fries, 3 stages. First stage just been done, cut and soaked for 2 hours under water, nice and dry. Second stage, we're going to blanch them in oil at medium heat, 140 160 degrees, for about 6 minutes. Once that's done, that goes into a dish with some kitchen towel. We're gonna, beg your pardon, rest them for 10 minutes. Then the last stage is to make them crispy in a bath of hot oil about 180 degrees. Done. So after 10 to 12 minutes, the oil should be ready, but we're gonna do a test. For that, you take one chip and you just dip it halfway, and you can see a little bubble start appearing when you dip the French fries. So that should be ready, and that should make this little noise, as you can see. So I'm going to do a little batch at a time. Also be careful not to splash. There you go, on for 6 minutes roughly. So after 6 minutes they should be done. Just to make sure they are, you just take one French fries out of the pan, you wait that it cools down, and you, between your fingers it should crumble like so. So this is done. We switch off this and we're just going to rest them for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes that my French fries been rested and drained well from the oil on this kitchen towel, I'm going to turn the heat up on maximum on this, and we're going to fry them for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden to 180. So again, we can make a test, just trying one, and the bubbles should increase. Then there you go, and the noise should come up. There you go. Time to bring them in. Be careful when you do that, not to splash. There you go. This is what we want. The reason that we only have a quarter full of liquids in the pan is we don't want it to overspill. Okay, lovely, that looks right to me. So just drain them well. Switch up the heat. There you go. Now a little salt. Little shake. Nice and crispy and golden. There you have it, French fries at home with Stefan Chef. Please like and subscribe, that'll be ace, and see you soon on my channel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to check out my latest one, please click here. If you want to check all my videos, please click here. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe and click here. That'll be ace. See you soon on Stefan Chef.